If you're interested in video production, consider signing up for one of the 2 introductory telecommunication courses offered here at BASH. Studio Production is a half-credit course which covers careers related to live studio production. You will learn how to use professional audio and video equipment and work in teams to produce several live productions. You will also learn how to write and direct a television script. Field Production and Editing is a full-credit course which covers careers related to post-production. You will use professional cameras and sound equipment to shoot commercials, short movies, and television pilot episodes. You will then use professional software including Adobe Premiere to edit your productions together. These 2 courses are open to students in all grade levels and can be found under the Technology and Engineering section on your course selection sheet. Also, students in the telecom courses are eligible to apply for the BASH TV News homeroom. For more information, check page 81 of the Program of Studies or see Mr. Cherkasky in the TV studio.